It's time for another cold plunge. Oh yeah. It's day 28 of Plunge, Push, Pray. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for this cold water, this beautiful sunshine. Jesus, you are good. You are good. Thank you. Man, something I want to talk about that a lot of people struggle with, myself included, is comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. Whether that's comparing to where someone else is in life, how much money you or someone else have, it's all stupid. It all just leads to unhappiness. The only thing we should compare is our life to Jesus. Jesus is perfect and saved us from our brokenness. But the standard is perfection, and it's something that we'll never get to, but we can strive to be more like Jesus every day. Thank you, Jesus. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.